Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this life safety device. As you can see, I've already opened it a little bit just to make sure it's the correct item before I knew I was making this video. But yeah, I just got this in the mail. Let's go and open it up. I haven't really taken out the box yet. So we take that off, which they use like one of the paper. They use like one of the paper ones, so it did get ripped in shipping a little bit, it looks like. They're supposed to use like the bubble wrap ones, but it looks like it got here in good condition. And this is a FireLite smoke detector. This is an SD365 Addressable smoke detector. As you can see, this one with light speed, which is an addressable protocol the panels use. Here's the label right there. You can see this one is not the ivory one, this is the white one. If you look around the box, you can see just this little profile adjustable detector. This is the brand new series that just came out, I'm pretty sure. It's like the same thing. You can see the tab is broken. I got this brand new off of eBay. Let's go and open it up. So this opens right up, and their boxes always do that. So first, you can see we have the standard fire alarm limitations packet. There's the manual for the base, which this does include the base, obviously. Here is the manual for the smoke detector head. It tells you all sorts of specifications. It shows how to do the addressing. Some stuff about testing and painting and disassembly. They actually show how to disassemble and clean it. So there's the manual for the smoke head. And now let's actually get to the detector itself. So here it is. As you can see, it looks quite different just before even taking the cap off than a lot of the FireLite smoke detectors. Now you see, this is the old color of white they used to use, and that's the new. As you can see right there, it's two different colors. And then you can also get this in ivory. I'm not sure if ivory is this or if it's even yellower. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull off the duct cap, which is just a plastic piece that snaps on. As you can see, here is the detector. It's very clean looking. It has two LEDs that flash red. Here is the top part. There's the smoke sensing chamber. The base is exactly the same color, and it's on the ceiling just like that. So we can go ahead and twist it like so until it clicks and pull it straight off. As you can see, here's the base. It has a little label right there which just says the model. You have your positive, negative, which is actually stamped on the plastic right there, and this is for remote annunciator. So basically there's 12 volts in between the RA terminal and negative when the device is an alarm. So it's really nice for like a key switch with a light on it or something, so you can remotely see if the device is an alarm. As you can see, I'm not sure why they use that different color white inside, but yeah, that's that. So the base is pretty simple. Now here's the detector head itself. As you can see, it says can't really see that, but it says no painting right there. There's like a little paintbrush with next to it. That's really the only mark on the outside. I wish they would have made that a little smaller though, but I guess it doesn't really matter. So there it is. The lights are completely flush. Actually, they're not. There's kind of like a rim right there, and they're, as you can see, they kind of stick out a little bit. It's kind of weird, but as you can see, this does not come off in just like an i3 or something. It is attached. It looks like there is enough support, but you do have to be careful not to break it off. It's not too fragile though. Here are the alignment things on the side, and here are the actual terminals. Here are the addressing knobs. In the next video, or next time you see this detector, it will be tested, but this video is just an unboxing. So there it is. I think it looks very clean, and it's a lot better than the other smoke detectors. You will probably be seeing a lot more of these detectors soon. So we can go ahead and put it back in the box. And there it is. So like always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe so you can see my next videos. I will see you in the next video.